Have you ever felt uncomfortable at work, but couldn't explain why?
Yes, sometimes the workplace atmosphere feels tense, even when no one says anything openly.
Exactly. That often happens because of toxic workplace habits.
And many of these behaviors are difficult to notice until they begin affecting teamwork and productivity.
Today, we're going to discuss common toxic workplace habits and how they impact team success.
Emma, have you ever worked with someone who agrees to tasks but never completes them on time?
Yes, that is a classic example of passive-aggressive behavior.
What exactly does passive-aggressive communication mean?
It happens when someone avoids direct communication and expresses frustration indirectly. For example, they may use sarcasm or delay tasks intentionally.
That must create confusion within the team.
Absolutely. When actions don't match words, trust starts to disappear.
So how can teams reduce passive-aggressive behavior?
By encouraging honest and respectful conversations where employees feel safe sharing concerns.
Another issue I've seen is small groups forming inside teams.
Yes, workplace cliques can be harmful
Why are cliques a problem?
because they often exclude other team members. When only certain people share ideas or collaborate, innovation decreases.
That could make employees feel isolated.
Exactly. Inclusive teams perform better because they encourage diverse perspectives.
How can leaders prevent cliques?
They can rotate project teams and encourage collaboration between different team members.
Let's talk about gossip. That happens in many workplaces.
Yes, gossip may seem harmless, but it can seriously damage workplace relationships.
How does gossip affect teams? So transparency is important?
Very important. Leaders should encourage direct communication and stop harmful rumors early.
What about blaming others when mistakes happen?
That is called blame culture, and it can destroy teamwork
Why is it dangerous?
because employees become afraid to admit mistakes. Instead of solving problems, they focus on protecting themselves.
That must reduce creativity and learning.
Exactly. Healthy teams focus on learning and improving rather than punishing mistakes.
Another issue is when employees avoid responsibility.
Yes, accountability avoidance is very harmful.
What does that behavior look like?
People may make excuses, miss deadlines, or shift responsibility to others.
That would increase pressure on other team members.
Yes, and over time it damages morale and productivity.
How can teams improve accountability?
By setting clear expectations, tracking progress, and encouraging ownership of tasks.
So today we learned that toxic workplace habits include passive-aggressive behavior, cliques, gossip, blame culture, and avoiding accountability.
And recognizing these behaviors early helps teams build stronger trust and better collaboration.
Improving workplace communication helps build successful careers.
If you want to improve your business English through real workplace topics, subscribe to J Learning Hub.
And here's today's discussion question. Which workplace behavior do you think most damaging to team success?
Tell us your opinion in the comments.